Trying to find the right furry friend to share your life with can be an overwhelming experience, especially if you don't know how to choose the right one. To find the right dog, you need to find one that fits your lifestyle. For example, if you're the type of person who likes to exercise regularly, you should get a high-energy dog, possibly one with athletic endurance. But that's not the only thing that matters. You should also take into consideration the age of your first dog. If you decide to adopt a puppy, you need to make sure you have time for frequent vet visits, obedience training, house training, and socialization, to name a few. But if you don't have time for this, adopting a dog from a foster program usually implies they are well socialized and house-trained. Nevertheless, every dog deserves full commitment. So, the best place to start before adopting one is to think about the time you can devote to them. But before you find what are the best dogs for first-time owners, make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Dog breeds for beginners. Choosing the right dog for you can be challenging, especially if you're not familiar with any of the breed's signatures, such as size, appearance, grooming needs, or energy levels. However, there are some general traits shared among dogs that can help you find the right furry friend for your family. These are the dog breeds that are perfect for first-time owners. Bichon Frise. If you're looking for a great companion that will be your happy little friend, then you're looking for the Bichon Frise. They're not hard to train, and they are so easygoing that they will adapt to any lifestyle, no matter the pace. However, these cotton balls do require a lot of grooming time because of their curly coat that needs to be brushed and trimmed regularly. But if you want to keep the maintenance to a minimum, you can keep their hair trimmed short at all times. In short, Bichon Frise is ideal for apartments and families with children because they don't require much walking or exercise to stay happy. Boxer. These medium-large dogs are great for people who have a fairly active lifestyle. Boxers are loyal and playful companions that form lifelong bonds with the family. They can also be a little hyperactive, which is why they need to be well trained and taken out regularly. On the other hand, they enjoy training and thrive in households with kids because they are naturally protective of their families. So, if you're looking for an active lifestyle and a lifetime friend for the entire family, go with a boxer. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel. For people who want to adopt a puppy but don't want a large dog, the Cavalier King Charles Spaniel is the ideal breed. Cavaliers are small, but not too small a dog that has a gentle demeanor and puppy-like appearance. They are quite energetic and require at least daily walks to stay healthy. Cavaliers also need to be regularly brushed if you want to avoid getting their hair cut short. They respond well to training and are generally quiet, which makes them perfect for households with small children. Golden Retriever. The Golden Retriever is the gold standard of family dogs. They are happy, affectionate, loyal, and active medium-large dogs that thrive in almost all households. Golden Retrievers are very playful and require a fair amount of exercise to keep them healthy. Training is essential but not difficult, as Golden Retrievers are very smart and love to learn new things. If you're looking for a dog that's great with kids, no matter the age, go ahead and adopt the most popular breed in the world. Labrador Retriever. Labradors are active, playful, and smart dogs, which makes them perfect for households that can provide plenty of training and exercise. Getting them trained is super easy as they can be trained to learn pretty much anything. They are very loyal to their owners, and long snuggles on the couch are their favorite way of showing affection. However, Labradors require a lot of exercise and mental stimulation, otherwise they get bored and tend to act out. Additionally, if you're not careful, lack of exercise can lead to obesity with Labradors. So if you're not an active person, this is not the dog for you. But if you're looking for a loving companion to your family and a dog to play fetch or go for a run with, then a Labrador Retriever is the dog for you. Mixed breed dogs. If you're not sure which breed of dog is right for you, perhaps you should consider adopting a mixed breed. They are unique dogs that make amazing companions, and by adopting a mixed breed dog, you are slowly helping to reduce shelter overpopulation. Local shelters are full of adorable and loving dogs, and shelter workers will be more than happy to find a dog that fits your lifestyle. The needs of the dog may vary depending on the breed, but all dogs require a certain amount of training, exercise, and grooming. But no matter which mixed dog breed you get, you two will most likely form a lifelong bond. Papillon. This little creature appears small but has the personality of a big dog and is ideal for people who lead a moderately active lifestyle. Their spirit will get you both an exercise partner and a lapdog for cozy Sunday afternoons. The Papillon does not require a lot of exercise but loves to play and run around with its family, especially the kids. However, they are quite gentle beings, so you'll need to keep an eye on kids playing with them so they don't get rough and hurt them. Pomeranian. This adorable little furball is the ideal lapdog. Pomeranians are moderately active and don't require high maintenance, despite the rich display of their fur. They just need to be regularly brushed. Poms also don't require a lot of activity to stay happy, but they do need to be trained enough to recognize boundaries. Without proper training, their feisty character will quickly become a nightmare, so make sure you plan for training before you adopt a Pomeranian. On the other hand, trained Pomeranians do just fine in families, but prefer to bond to a single owner. Poodle. Despite their small posture, poodles are very intelligent. They are available in 3 different sizes: standard, miniature, and toy. Each of the breeds is just as intelligent as the next, and they all respond well to training. Poodles are energetic and require plenty of exercise and mental stimulation. They adapt to environments easily and can thrive in various households. However, if you want to keep your poodle clean, then you'll need to groom it regularly. Otherwise, you'll have a tangled mess on your hands. Yorkshire Terrier. As far as lapdogs go, Yorkshire Terrier is an excellent little starter dog. It's moderately active and doesn't require more than basic exercise, which means that you and your Yorkie don't really need more than a single walk a day. Yorkies prefer to be trained like big dogs. Untrained Yorkshire Terriers usually become very loud and stubborn little munchkins. They demand a lot of grooming and trimming, so if you don't plan to pay regular visits to a groomer, then a Yorkie is not the right pup for you. However, Yorkies tend to form strong bonds with their owners during training, so if you're willing to go through the process with them, then you'll find a friend and a lapdog for a lifetime. Do you have a dog? Is it a small or a large breed? Is it obedient or stubborn? Is it a poodle? Feel free to share your favorite fur friend stories with us in the comment section below.
We'll show you everything worth knowing.